Hey y'all, it's DJ the Diva coming back at you for another video. And this one is lock knots. As you can see, I've got them going here. Now, what I do want to tell you, I am a true believer. If you learn something from somebody, you let people know, hey, this is where I got it. That's, not to do it will be rude. So, in saying that, I been looking at a few women on YouTube who have locks and they do tutorials. So I've been trying for years to learn how to do lock knocks, but they simplified it. So I was able to grasp it and be able to do this for myself. So I want to thank Alicia Dawn. I want to thank Jasmine Rose. And I want to thank, I think it's pronounced Co-Chemist. Qochemist. So those three ladies are who I was able to pick this technique up and learn something from them, and I want to be able to share it with you guys. So here we go. You got your lock. Most people wet their lock, but since I'm gonna work out later, I just want to go ahead and get it done, and then I'll give my scalp and stuff a good rinse whenever I take my shower tonight. So, and saying that, let's get started. What you want to do is you want to put your hand up underneath your lock, loop the lock. Let me move this one out the way. Loop the lock around. Just make it as long as you want the lock knock, okay? Put your hand, loop it around, twist. Give it, let me do this again. Twist, one good twist. And then you want to take and wrap the other remaining lock down the length of the loop, okay? When you get to the end, take your finger out. See, take your finger out and push the end of your lock through the opening. Like so. And I give mine a good push up, and then I pull down from the top. Lock knock. Let's do this side, okay? Maybe you can see a little bit better. And I had recently, Sunday, today is Wednesday, and Sunday I did retwist, and I'm just going to show you here. Loop. You want to hold that, and I give it a little twist at the bottom, and then I start wrapping the remainder of the lock around that loop you made, and just enough left to stick through and pull. That's how I do it. A lock knot. No rubber bands needed. And what I was trying to do was make me a bang. This one I could have made a little bit longer. You make it as long as you want it to go. But my original goal is just to, I wanted them as tight as I could get them. So when I let them out, I might keep them in for a couple months. When I let them out, they'll be extra curly and bouncy. That's my goal. So I want to show you one more time on this side. Okay. Put your hand against the lock. You wrap that around your finger, okay? Once you determine that that is the length that you want, that is the length that you want, you grasp it at the top. Well, I grasp it at the top with this hand, and I give it one twist down there, and then I loop it around pulling taut. Loop it around till you get to the bottom. It's actually very, very quick. And then you push the remainder of the lock through the end of the loop. And give it a little tug. There we go. There. I think, now if I wanted to stop right there, honey, I've created myself a bang. I'm getting my Rick James on, honey. So, my thumbnail, my thumbnail will be the finished product because I'm going to do it all over. And yeah, you'll see it through that. But I thank you for coming to my channel and watching my videos. It's a blessing. And I'm glad I can connect with you guys and have an outlet so I'm not going out of my mind bored, okay? Please like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up and a comment. I love you guys to life. Stay safe. Wash your hand continuously. Keep your hands away from your face as much as possible. Hand sanitizer, wipes. Do your mask when you're going out amongst people. Keep that social distance. 6 feet away from everybody. You know, it's better to be safe than to be sorry, okay? Because you don't know who's running around with what, and you don't know what your immune system is like. So, on that day, it could be weak. You could be deficient in a vitamin or something. Let's be safe. Let's be safe. Let's keep everybody else safe. Stay home whenever possible. I love you to life. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. Take a look at my thumbnail whenever I post this video so that you can see the end result of my hair. And you'll probably see it from another video, but I just want you guys to see. Okay. Love you to life. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to who? Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. Stay safe. I love you guys. Bye. Give you a little close up. Guys, see those lock nuts? Bye.